I'm Lydia, and welcome to Alex Palagana's YouTube Trabajo channel. This is a very special episode of this channel. You know why? Because today we will talk about Mobile Legends. First things first, please make sure to subscribe this channel. So don't wait to hit the subscribe button now. In this episode we will talk about best settings in Mobile Legends 2021. Therefore, pay close attention to this settings and feel free to make notes to copy the setting, so you can play on the best way possible. We'll start with the basic setting. It aren't the most important ones, but there are a few settings that you want to have right to improve your performance. The first setting is Outline. By turning this setting on, there will be a thin black line displayed around heroes, minions and monsters. For your gameplay performance it doesn't really matter if you turn it on or off. I have this setting turned on, but if you play Mobile Legends on a slow device, I suggest you turn this off. The next setting is a very important one and is called Camera Height. By choosing the low setting, you'll see less of the map, but it can reduce lag. By choosing the high setting, it shows you a bigger area of the map. You really want to have this setting turned on high, because this increases your sight. The most players have this setting turned on high, so they have an advantage when you use the low setting. Enemies can see you earlier than you can see them, which doesn't help you when ganking or being ganked. Only use the low setting when you play Mobile Legends on a really slow device. Then we also have skill vibration. Like you probably expect, turning this setting on will make your device vibrate when casting a skill. This setting is up to personal preference. I have this setting turned off, because it distracts me, but if you like the effect you can leave it on. The next setting is called HD mode. Turning this on should display your match in high definition. To be honest, I can't really see the difference when this setting is turned on or off. If you have a really fast device, you can leave this setting on. Just leave it off if your device isn't the fastest anymore. In my opinion, this setting isn't worth having turned on, because it's really hard to see the difference. The next one is called HFR mode, and should be treated like the previous setting. Having this option turned on will make the movements run more smooth. In my opinion, Mobile Legends runs smooth enough with the setting turned off. But if your device is fast enough, you can turn this setting on to play on the most smooth way possible. Next up, shadow. Like you probably understand, you can turn the shadows on and off with this setting. Obstacles, heroes, minions and jungle monsters all have shadows when having this turned on. I think turning this on will have a more realistic view of the map, so I suggest you turn this setting on. If your device is slow, you can leave this setting off, to reduce the amount of lag. The setting Creep HP, you definitely need to turn on when you play as a jungler. By enabling this setting, you are able to see the exact HP of a jungle monster. It also shows the amount of damage you deal with retribution. When you play as a jungler, you need to kill the monsters as efficiently as possible. Therefore, you need to know the exact amount of HP a monster has and how much retribution deals, to kill it fast and continue with your farming route. It are this kind of small things that add up in the long run and make you a stronger jungler. If this video helped you to use the best setting, please give the video a like and share it with your friends. If you don't know where to find the subscribe button, it's just below the video. You can use the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video gets uploaded. You can also check pandarticles.com for more Mobile Legends update. Check the link on the description below for more information. Once again, in behalf of Alex Palaganas, this is Lydia saying, as always, thank you for watching and I'll be seeing you again in the next guide. Thanks.